Welcome to this technical guide on the Leyre Lamarque Orgoite-Conga 3390. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Leyre Lamarque Orgoite-Conga 3390 is struggling to read discs, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty laser lens that may have become misaligned or damaged over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications within the device, affecting its overall performance. To tackle this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement laser assembly specifically for the Orgoite-Conga 3390. First, let's begin by safely opening your device. Start by unplugging it and laying it face down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located on the back panel. Make sure to keep track of these screws, as they will be essential for reassembly. Once you've removed the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Now that the device is open, locate the laser assembly. It should be near the disc tray, typically encased in a small compartment. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. You will need to disconnect the cables attached to the laser unit. Be gentle while doing this, as the connectors can be delicate. Next, remove the screws securing the laser assembly in place. Once these screws are out, carefully lift the old laser unit out of its compartment. Take your new laser assembly and position it in the same spot as the old one, making sure it fits snugly. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are securely attached. Replace the screws to hold the new laser assembly in place, applying just the right amount of force to avoid stripping them. Now, before closing up the device, it's wise to test if the new laser works. Plug the device back in and attempt to read a disc. If it successfully reads the disc, you can proceed to reassemble the back cover. Align it correctly and press down gently until it clicks back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Finally, your Leyre Lamarque Orgoite-Conga 3390 should now be back in working order, ready to read your favorite discs again. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you keep your device in a dust-free environment and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance checks can also help spot potential problems before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.